What's going on, everyone? My name is Vince from Life with Vince Lou, and this video is my review of the Aonijie running vest. A little background about this vest. The brand is Aonijie. It is a 5.5 liter running vest. I got this off Amazon and I've had it for right around 2 years or so now. And I take this on pretty much every single one of my daily runs, anything from 3 miles up to 20 miles. On an average week, I'll run roughly 50 miles. In terms of racing, I've used this for one official marathon, and I've also ran 150 and one 100 miler with this, both self-supported. In terms of washing, I wash it 2 to 3 times a week. My one and only con about the vest is the quality. I would give it a C-, and you'll be able to see the quality of the vest as I go through it in a few seconds. The biggest pros about this vest is that it does everything that I needed to do. It really hasn't given me any issues in terms of chafing, in terms of the sizing. It's pretty comfortable in my opinion, and it's really hard to beat the price to value ratio. Getting to the vest itself, the back of the vest has a large pocket. It fits a 2-liter bladder, though if you don't want the 2-liter bladder, there is a lot of other room to fit other items. In terms of the front of the vest, it has 2 clip-ons in which you can clip and also loosen or tighten. And then also, if you want to tighten in the sides, you can do that as well. Tighten, loosen both sides to make it fit a little more snug. In terms of the front pockets, there are 2 front pockets for either your water bottles or a phone. For me, I usually like to have one water bottle on the left side, and on the right side I'll put my phone. In terms of the pockets, there is this pocket on the left hand side. It's a little bit smaller of a pocket. You could probably fit about a credit card in there. And then on the bottom of that, there is a little bit larger of a pocket. This pocket is large enough to probably fit a small iPhone, and again, probably some more credit cards. On the right side here, I usually like to put some energy blocks in right here, or it just fits maybe like a power bar or some kind of snack. A little note about this brand as well. If you Amazon search it, Aonijie will pop up, though also a few other brands will pop up with different names, though it seems like they have the same manufacturer with identical vests, though they just private labeled each of their vests based on their own brands. With that being said, if you want to get the vest itself, it's $26.99 US. If you want to get the vest plus the 2 water bottles, it's $39.99. But the brand is not Aonijie, it's Tri-Wonder, but the vest is the exact same. And if you want to get the vest, the 2 bottles, plus the 2-liter hydration pack, it is $53.99 US. In terms of my thoughts on this vest, it does everything that I need it to do. Though, as I mentioned, the quality of the vest itself isn't very good. As you can see, the drawstrings no longer retract back, even when I pull it forward. Likely because I've washed it so many times, but the stitching is coming undone on some parts. There is fading, though again, I've had it for 2 years and I wash it all the time. And I am not a pro runner. I am doing this all for fun, so I don't need a $100 to $150 vest. This $26.99 or $39.99 with the 2 water bottles, this does everything that I needed to do, plus it's not costing me an arm and a leg. So thanks for watching. Hope you all enjoyed that video. Let me know down below if you have any additional comments for me. Would love to hear from you all. Please give this video a thumbs up. Also, I make reviews like this at least once a week on this channel, plus 1 live stream a week and 5 other daily vlogs. So if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you want to catch another one of my videos, there's a video right here, and there's a video right here. See you all tomorrow.